finally got back online. Guess it happens. It sees me on Xbox One, Black Ops 2. You're fried again. This is so fun, dude. Can't even freaking type a message. Enter. I think it's working now. Hi. GV's loading. Whee! Doesn't want to freaking load. Doesn't load. Nothing loads. Whee! Getting fried once again. Hold on, let me type this. I'm freaking. My router locked. Done it. Getting freaking fried. Freaking router on. Oh, not connected. Yeah, but this thing is like, you can see the blue thing. It's obviously loading. That means I'm getting fried. Wee. It's not my internet because I've changed my IP over like 3 times. Trying to, but it's not freaking working. I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do.